allegiance to other countries.
That is the Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, speaking at an event where he was discussing the fact that some athletes are leaving Jamaica, switching their allegiances to other countries in order for financial gain, which I did a video about this. I'm all for it. I support it because at the end of the day, Jamaica did not have and weren't supporting these athletes to the fullest of their capabilities.
I say thank you, sir. Thank you for choosing Jamaica. That, my friends, is patriotism in its purest form.
Yes, indeed, we should thank persons like Shelley, Asafa, and Usain Bolt for choosing to stay in Jamaica, as I'm 100% sure that there were other countries that were trying to poach him and they choose patriotism. However, we have to understand that the opportunities that Shelley, Usain Bolt, Asafa, etc. were given in terms of brand deals and so forth was what allowed them the ability to stay and be patriotic. These other athletes are not getting those opportunities, or if they are, they're just simply not satisfied with it, which you can't blame them. He further on to express that the government and the stakeholders, especially Babs Grange, will be looking into finding ways to better compensate the athletes, which is good. That is what I want to see. That is what everyone wants to see, and I hope they can actually do something worthwhile. But those are just my thoughts. What are yours? Don't forget to like, comment, share. I want to hear from you.